Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make bacon jam. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining in today. If this is your first time watching, please do me a favor, go down to the corner, hit that subscribe button right there, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make bacon jam, so let's head on down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with about a pound of bacon. I've got about 2 cups of some coarsely ground onion, about 2 tablespoons of some chopped garlic, half a cup of firmly packed dark brown sugar, a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of brandy, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Alright, well I took the liberty of cutting the bacon, onions, and the garlic up so we don't have to waste time doing that. You've seen me do that 1,000 times. Let's head over to our pan and start cooking. Alright, we got our bacon cooking. When it's fully cooked, I am going to take it out and put it on this paper towel, let it drain, and I want to take some of the oil out of here. I don't want to keep all the bacon grease because I don't want our jam to be too greasy. So I'm just going to leave enough grease in there to cook our onions and our garlic. Alright, our bacon is pretty much done. It's brown and crispy. I'm just going to start taking it out of the pan and putting it onto our paper towel. Now I'm just going to keep some of this oil or bacon grease here. I don't want all of it because that's way too much for our jam. We don't want it to be all oil. So I'm just going to pour some into my reserver. I'm going to keep about a couple tablespoons in there, just enough to cook our garlic and our onions. I'm going to go ahead and throw the onions in there. Keep the heat down just a little bit. Let these onions start to get a little cooked there, and then I'm going to throw the garlic in at the last. And we just want to saute these up. Throw our garlic in. Remember, this is all rough cut because we are going to throw this in a food processor when it's all done, so we just want to kind of have a rough cut on everything because it's all going to get chopped down and processed anyway. It already smells fantastic. Alright, let this cook down and we'll get on to our next step. Alright, now that we've got a little color on the garlic and the onions, I'm going to throw in the brown sugar, mix that in. Our apple cider vinegar, our brandy, our Dijon mustard, and our honey. Alright, this whole mixture stirred up really well. Get it to a boil. And then you want to just decrease the heat a little bit. Alright, this has thickened. That brown sugar and that brandy have helped when it's reduction to really bring all this together. I'm going to add this bacon into it now. We're going to let this cook down for just a little bit. And then I'm going to put it into a food processor and I'm going to grind it up. And we'll show you what that looks like when we come back on the other side. I don't really have a food processor per se, but I do have a NutriBullet, and it did work rather well in NutriBullet. You can see kind of what it looks like right there. It is a relish almost in a jam. I think the sugar in it classifies it as a jam. But you want to make sure that you cool this down. I've got a couple of different types of jars that I'm going to put mine in, but let's give it a taste here and see what it tastes like. I'm not going to eat this whole thing, but I'm going to. Salty, sweet, acidic, sweet and sour kind of, with that vinegar in there, that brandy. The bacon, of course, is just awesome. And you got the sweetness from that sugar. It all comes together. A little bit of Dijon hint there in the back. You go ahead and up your burger game or your sandwich game. This would even be good on just crackers or some hard crusty bread. Really good. I'm gonna have to make some more of this. This is gonna go fast. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment below, and then share this video with everybody that you know. Take care of yourself, stay safe. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.